Hi there, students. Tumid, an adjective. Tumidly, the adverb. Okay, if something is tumid, it's swollen. It's larger in size than normal. So the river becomes tumid after it rains for a week or so. Or, for example, think about going to Christmas dinner at home, and you've eaten all the turkey and all the trimmings and the Christmas pudding and the brandy butter and everything else, and your stomach is just swollen. Your stomach is tumid. It's larger in size than normal. Yeah. Tumid is particularly used for a part of the body. Yeah, so a part of the body is swollen. I think particularly your stomach. I guess he twisted his ankle, and then his ankle became tumid. It became swollen. Now notice this word it's a literary word, it's poetic, it's maybe a bit old-fashioned. This is not something you would use in a normal essay. This is something literary, something poetic, maybe for a song or something like that. Okay, the child had been eating and eating and eating, and now you could see the child's tumid belly. Notice you can also use this word tumid to talk about the way somebody writes. Tumid writing, tumid literature. Yeah, it's ostentatious. It's got lots and lots of overblown words. It's got words like it's supposed to be fairly informal, and it's got words like tumid in it. So tumid, ostentatious, bombastic style of writing. Pompous, tumid prose, tumid writing. Yeah, people normally go to sleep if you start to write inflated, tumid things. Okay, so something that is tumid, it's swollen. His hand had become infected and was tumid. Bulging out. When you go sailing and the wind blows into the sails, the sail becomes tumid. It becomes full. And then tumid writing, bombastic. You could use turgid as well. It's so bloated, swollen, overblown, swollen up. Yeah, he punched me in the lip, and my lip was tumid, a tumid lip or a tumid eye. So tumid political prose, bombastic, goes too much. Something with which it's being very pretentious. It wants to be a lot more than it really is. It's overblown, it's inflated, it's tumescent. Yeah, it's really swollen and pompous. Yeah, just make your descriptions reasonably simple. Try not to make them too pompous. This is too tumid. Let's see, when you're writing for your exams, it's good to include one or two interesting, unusual words, but try not to include too many, because that's when it becomes tumid, and that in itself will turn the examiner off. So it's finding a good balance between being boring and being tumid, and that's not so easy. Okay, so puffy, swollen, bombastic, full of things. So let's see. Formality, tumid. 8.5 in formality. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin tumidus, meaning swollen, from tumeo, I swell. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. goodbye for now. Tumid.